Benefits of vitamin E for your skin. Vitamin E is mostly known and loved for its moisturising, protective and antioxidant benefits. It is both a humectant and also an emollient. So to sum that up, humectants draw in water to the skin cells and help keep them hydrated, and emollients work by trapping that hydration and water into the skin. So no wonder vitamin E is an absolute go-to ingredient for a dry skin type. Vitamin E is also a potent antioxidant which helps to fight free radical damage. Put simply, free radicals are the bad molecules that damage our skin and can cause premature aging. Some of our go-to products with vitamin E are our 24K Gold Nourishing Oil, as well as our Ultra Nourishing Booster Mask. These are a dream for a dry skin type. Or to target those skin concerns from the inside out, try our Skin Rebuild Skintrients, potent in both vitamin E and vitamin C. If you have any other questions about vitamin E or what skincare products to use, reach out to our skincare consultants today.